Welcome to our video guide on efficiently assigning products and categories to various front ends and customer groups within your website's admin area. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to effortlessly manage these assignments for a more customized user experience. Begin by logging into your website's admin area. This is where you can make adjustments to your product and category assignments. While adding or editing a product, locate the Assign Restrict tab. Within the Assign Restrict tab, you'll find a list of available front ends or sales channels. To assign the product to a specific one, simply switch the toggle to the On position in the Assign column next to the desired front end. You can also assign a product to a specific customer group by locating the Assign column next to that group and switching it on. If necessary, you can make the product out of stock unavailable for a certain customer group by disabling the availability status next to that group. While adding or editing a category, navigate to the Assign Restrict tab. Under this tab, you'll find a list of available front ends or sales channels. To assign the category to a specific one, switch the toggle to the On position in the Assign column next to the desired front end. Additionally, you can assign a category to specific customer groups. Set the switch to On for the groups for which this category should be available. For efficiency in managing multiple assignments, click on the Sales Channels tab. Locate the front end or sales channel you want to assign products or categories to. Click on the Assign Categories Products button. In the pop-up window, click on the plus icon to expand all subcategories or products if needed. Then, check the boxes next to the categories, subcategories, or products you want to assign. With these simple steps, you can efficiently manage product and category assignments, ensuring a tailored experience for your users. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.